Hello, Techdive. Today, I have upgraded my streaming setup for, well, specifically Classic WoW, but also just in general. So, the first thing to note is that I have finally hooked up my Sony AX53 camera to my Elgato HD60 capture card. Now I have super high quality video streams. And if I make it full screen, it's not going to be some blocky, crappy video coming from my Logitech. Instead, it's going to be a beautiful footage coming from this, which is a massive, massive upgrade. Second upgrade is that I have this center monitor. You say, what is that monitor? What is that? I think my parents had one of these back in the day. What is that? That is a 4x3 monitor to play Classic WoW on. I may not play Classic WoW the entire time on it, but I shall be playing Classic WoW at 4x3, the original way it was intended to be played, because widescreen 4K did not exist back then. And I am running my GTX 970 because my 1080 Ti does not have an analog output to support this 4x3 monitor. So yeah, 1080 Ti is just kind of sitting here chilling for a bit, taking a break. It's fine, 970 is doing its job. I may switch over to either the GTX 275, which is right there, or the 9800 GT, if I can get it working. If I can get the 9800 GT working, that'd be great, because that card actually came out during vanilla WoW. So that would be almost the ultimate not VR, that'd be the ultimate Classic WoW experience. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this little quick setup tour. Also am rocking the blue microphone, blue snowball ice. It's a pretty great microphone. Yeah, really excited to have my stream quality even higher than before, and I think that this is probably what I'm going to be going with for the rest of my streaming career, which may be 2 days. We'll see. Anyways, oh, also, do you want a free Nintendo Switch? Go to the video in the description below and click the link and watch the video and leave the comment as stated in the video, and you will be lined up for a free Nintendo Switch. Bye.